Hello.
Hey. Wherever you look is where you go. So if you look at Mommy, you went towards Mommy. You quit looking at Daddy.
Say hi, Ben. Merry Christmas. There's Daddy. Okay, ski to Daddy. Hi, Vanessa.
You go, I'll follow you.
No, face Daddy, honey. When you look at Mommy, then you go that way. Here, Ben will lift you up. It's down at the bottom of the hill, honey. Good job, sis. Caleb. Hi. You want to go down the hill? You're going down, buddy. Hi. Yeah, we've had that discussion. Snowmobiles.